Welcome to our show, College Briefing. Today, we dive into some shocking news about Shamsud-Din Jabbar, a once respected Army veteran who turned into a violent extremist. His journey from a decorated service member to a mass shooter raises serious questions about unnoticed radicalization and the signs that were missed by those around him. Next, we shift gears to health and wellness. For top doctors from Australia are here to share their insights on how to maintain a healthy lifestyle without getting lost in the sea of conflicting advice. They emphasize simplicity and enjoyment, reminding us that integrating fun activities into our daily routines can significantly enhance our physical and mental well-being. Lastly, we have exciting news for VCE students. 18-year-old Mia Chircop has already begun her university journey at Trobe University, thanks to a state program that allows high-achieving students to take first-year subjects for free. This initiative not only reduces exam pressure but also helps students boost their academic credentials. It's a fantastic opportunity for students looking to make a smooth transition into higher education. Please continue watching for more detailed content. The New Orleans attackers' secret radicalization, the Sydney Morning Herald. Shamsud-Din Jabbar, a once decorated Army veteran, transformed from an ordinary life into a perpetrator of violence, shocking the community of New Orleans. As he drove towards the city, he recorded a video revealing his allegiance to ISIS and a chilling intent to harm his family, which he ultimately decided against. This tragic narrative unfolded as Jabbar, who had a stable job at Deloitte, isolated himself from his neighbors in a Muslim community, displaying signs of a dual life filled with extremist ideologies. As investigators delved into his past, they uncovered a troubling trajectory from a seemingly normal upbringing to a radicalized mindset, marked by personal struggles, financial troubles, and a growing discontent with society, leading to his deadly attack that left 14 people dead. For top doctors share the secret to a healthy life, the Sydney Morning Herald. In the pursuit of health, many Australians find themselves overwhelmed by conflicting advice and trends. However, for leading doctors advocate for a straightforward, research-backed approach that emphasizes balance and simplicity. Professor Jane Gunn highlights the importance of integrating physical activity with mindfulness, sharing her own routine of walking and yoga to maintain well-being. Meanwhile, Professor Stephen Nichols emphasizes the significance of regular exercise, sleep, and a moderate diet while cautioning against misinformation and health advice. Patrick McGorry and Jill Tomlinson also share their personal strategies, from staying active through surfing and gardening to prioritizing mental health. Together, they champion a common theme, that maintaining health can be achieved through consistent, enjoyable habits rather than extreme measures. How VCE students can study at university, for free, the Sydney Morning Herald. The opportunity for high-achieving VCE students to study university subjects for free has transformed the educational landscape in Australia. Mia Chircop, a student from Copperfield College, exemplifies this initiative, having completed a human biosciences course at Trobe University while still in high school. This program not only alleviates the pressure of VCE exams but also provides students with valuable experience and connections before they officially enter university. The initiative encourages engagement from bright students, allowing them to earn credits towards their tertiary education while enjoying the full benefits of university life, including access to resources and networking opportunities. With similar programs offered by other universities, the trend promises to enhance the academic journey for many young Australians, easing their transition into higher education. Associated Press reports that in a thrilling college basketball matchup, Clemson triumphed over California with a score of 80-68, thanks to standout performances from Ian Schieffelin and Chase Hunter. Schieffelin led the Tigers with 21 points, shooting an impressive 8 of 10 from the field, while Hunter contributed 19 points and 6 assists. Despite Andrei Stojakovic's remarkable 30-point game for Cal, the Bears struggled, marking their third consecutive loss. The game saw a competitive first half, but Clemson pulled away in the second, showcasing their shooting prowess with a season-high 62% from the field. Yahoo US highlights Texas A&M's dominant performance against Texas, where the Aggies secured an 80-60 victory in their SEC opener. The game was tightly contested at halftime, tied at 37-37, but Texas A&M unleashed a powerful offensive display in the second half, scoring 48 points in the paint. The Longhorns, who had relied on their three-point shooting in the first half, faltered significantly after the break, converting only 1 of 12 attempts. Tremont Mark led Texas with 14 points, but the team's overall shooting percentage dipped to 34.6%, well below their season average. Associated Press also covers the success of the number 11 TCU women's basketball team, which achieved a program best record of 15-1 after defeating Cincinnati 81-66. Madison Connor was the star of the night, scoring 29 points and hitting 6 three-pointers, while Sedona Prince added 21 points. TCU's strong third quarter, where they outscored Cincinnati 23-12, was pivotal in establishing a commanding lead. Despite a late surge from Cincinnati, TCU maintained their composure, sealing the victory and extending their win streak to 6 games as they prepare for an upcoming road game against Kansas. Yahoo US reports that the University of Georgia has reached a settlement with former football recruiting staffer Victory Torrey Bowles, who was severely injured in a tragic crash that occurred on January 15, 2023. Bowles sustained life-altering injuries, including approximately 20 fractures and a rare pain disorder, after being a backseat passenger in an SUV driven by Chandler LaCroix, who was racing with defensive tackle Jalen Carter at the time of the accident. The settlement, amounting to $1.5 million, was reached to avoid further litigation without admitting fault. Bowles has also filed a separate lawsuit against Carter, seeking at least $5 million for his alleged failure to assist after the crash, highlighting the ongoing ramifications of that fateful night. According to the South China Morning Post, there is a growing call for standardization in portion sizes at eateries across Hong Kong to tackle pressing public health issues such as obesity and diabetes. A proposed voluntary code would help define what constitutes less rice or less sugar, as well as standard sizes for dishes. This initiative aims to reduce food waste while providing clearer information to consumers, ultimately empowering them to make healthier choices. By learning from larger chains that already offer consistent portion sizes, smaller operators can enhance their reputation and contribute to a more health-conscious dining culture. The hope is that such standards could also influence dietary habits on the mainland, impacting the health of over 1.4 billion people. The Associated Press celebrates Montana State quarterback Tommy Mellott's remarkable achievement as he wins the prestigious Walter Payton Award, recognizing him as the top offensive player in the football championship subdivision. Known as Touchdown Tommy, Mellott's stellar performance has led his team to an impressive 15-0 record, and he has been a key player in their success, topping numerous statistics including passing efficiency. Expressing his gratitude, Mellott reflected on his journey from injury to this momentous accolade, emphasizing the support of his coaching staff and the collective effort of his team. As the Bobcats prepare to face North Dakota State in the title game, Mellott's award serves as a testament to his hard work and the strength of the Montana State football program. Associated Press reports that Ishmael Leggett shone brightly for Pittsburgh in their 83-68 triumph over Stanford, contributing 21 points to the team's impressive performance. Despite a rough start from beyond the arc, Leggett excelled with a perfect shooting record from inside the three-point line. This victory marked Pittsburgh's 5th consecutive win and a record-setting 8th straight in Atlantic Coast Conference play, showcasing their strong start this season. Alongside Leggett, Jalen Lowe and Guillermo Diaz-Graham also played pivotal roles, with Lowe adding 16 points and Diaz-Graham contributing 12. The Panthers took control of the game after a strong run at the end of the first half, leading to a comfortable second half where they extended their advantage significantly. South China Morning Post highlights a contentious hiring policy at Suzhou Middle School in China, which has ignited debate over the nation's obsession with elite universities. The school recently employed 13 new teachers, 10 of whom graduated from the prestigious Tsinghua and Peking universities. Critics argue that this practice reflects a troubling trend in which employers prioritize the names of institutions over the actual teaching abilities of candidates. Xiong Bingqi, a think tank director, emphasizes that while these graduates may possess impressive academic credentials, it does not guarantee their effectiveness as educators. This hiring approach raises concerns about the long-term implications for educational quality, as the focus shifts away from practical teaching experience. Yahoo US reports on the Rochester Community and Technical College men's basketball team, which concluded their non-conference schedule with a resounding 88-73 victory against Division I Central Community College. Sam Jennings led the charge with an impressive 28 points, showcasing his shooting prowess by hitting 6 of 8 three-pointers, contributing to the team's overall success from beyond the arc. The Yellow Jackets demonstrated a balanced offensive attack, with additional support from teammates Leighton Narrison and Charlie Morning, who each scored 15 points. RCTC's defense was also commendable, limiting Central's shooting efficiency and securing a solid rebounding advantage. With this victory, the Yellow Jackets now turn their focus to the upcoming conference play against the top-ranked Riverland team. Yahoo US reports that college football is in dire need of a commissioner to restore order amid the chaos created by conference commissioners, school presidents, and television networks. The NCAA, once a powerful governing body, has become irrelevant, allowing a fragmented system to take over where self-interest reigns. Coaches like Penn State's James Franklin and Duke's Manny Diaz advocate for a commissioner who would prioritize the overall health of college football, tackling issues like the excessive transfer portal and nil deals that have disrupted the competitive balance. The call for a central authority is echoed by Ole Miss coach Lane Kiffin, who emphasizes the need for rules that would stabilize the current landscape and ensure fairness across all programs. In a thrilling SEC opener, Vanderbilt triumphed over LSU with an 80-72 victory, thanks in large part to A.J. Hogett's impressive performance. Hogett scored 13 of his 17 points in the second half, helping to secure the win for the Commodores, who have now won 7 straight games. Despite LSU's strong start and a brief lead in the second half, Vanderbilt regained control with a decisive 9-1 run led by Hogett. The Commodores capitalized on LSU's turnovers and dominated the boards, showcasing their resilience as they prepare for their next matchup against number 17 Mississippi State. Yahoo US highlights the heroics of Sebastian Thomas, who sealed a dramatic 62-59 victory for the University of Rhode Island against George Mason in their Atlantic 10 opener. With just 0.9 seconds left on the clock, Thomas sank a clutch off-balance jumper, proving his status as a reliable playmaker. This victory marked a significant turnaround for URI, who had struggled in previous games. Coach Archie Miller praised Thomas as the ultimate gamer, and the team's defensive energy was pivotal in overcoming a 12-point deficit. URI's comeback not only showcased their determination but also reinstated their competitive spirit in the league, setting the stage for a promising season ahead. Thank you for tuning in. The content above showcases the latest briefing reports and analytical synopses, thoughtfully curated by the 6Do team. These insights stem from a wide array of reputable media outlets, think tanks, government sources, and specialized experts worldwide. We encourage you to explore these sources for a comprehensive perspective. Keep in mind that while the content may not always align with the official standpoint of 6Do Brief, it's not meant to be taken as absolute directives for decision-making. Comprising seasoned media professionals, learned scholars, and accomplished scientists, the 6Do team embodies a trailblazing, fully independent media entity. To customize 6Do Brief to meet your professional needs, you have the option to subscribe to a diverse array of briefings on our website, 6dobrief.com. Regardless of your location, you can conveniently receive 6Do Brief via email.
Got a book so big and bright, open it and take a flight. Learn about the stars and see, everything is here for me. Flip the pages one by one, knowledge under the sun. From dinosaurs to galaxies, a world of endless mysteries. Encyclopedia, yay, facts and fun all day. From A to Z, let's see, curious minds run free. Jump into the pages deep, secrets that you want to keep. Time will fly and you will find magic lies in every line. Animals and history, science full of mystery. Gotta read and gotta know, watch our minds all start to grow. Encyclopedia, yay, facts and fun all day. From A to Z, let's see, curious minds run free, yeah. Jump into the pages deep, secrets that you want to keep. Time will fly and you will find magic lies in every line. To run free line, Science full of mystery.